Eto na, CRYPTito here again, back with another video. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-cash in at cash out sa BitYard. Alright, so before we proceed, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click mo na rin yung bell notifications icon para updated ka sa mga future updates ko. By the way, if you don't have BitYard yet, yung sign up link is nasa description box or description section. Just click that at madadirect ka na dun sa sign up page. All you need is email and then create a password and that's it. If you want to learn more about BitYard, mga key features niya and reasons bakit you need to consider trading kay BitYard, make sure to check my previous video. Doon diniscuss ko lahat ng kailangan mo malaman. Eto na. So, let's start with cashing in. So, meron 3 ways actually na ituturo ko sa inyo on how to cash in. Let me show you the first one. Alright, so currently, andito tayo ngayon sa website ni BitYard, bityard.com. By the way, if you're using a mobile device or a phone for trading, pwede mong i-download yung application nila via App Store, Play Store, Android APK, and syempre, for desktop, macOS at Windows. Alright, so papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung first way on how to cash in. With this method, gagamitin natin yung service provider inside the website or the application. Okay, so currently I'm using a desktop view. Pero since I notice most of my followers are using mobile, so in this tutorial, gagamitin natin yung mobile version. I'm currently using an iPad, by the way. With iPad, you can use this side panel para magamit mo naman yung mobile version. So yun isa sa kagandahan sa paggamit ng iPad for trading. So to start, all you need to do is here, buy crypto with Banza. Go to fiat and then choose USDT. There you go, USDT. And then, yan. So, lalabas yung mga service provider. So, we have Transact, Banza, Mercurio, at Trump. So, meron din silang mga minimum purchase at maximum. So, all you need to do is to select, halimbawa, ito si Transact, tapos minimum niya is 30. Subukan natin. Then, order now. Okay, confirm. After that, i-redirect ka niya dun sa website nung service provider which is Transact. So from here, hindi ko na ituturo sa inyo yung steps because this requires your information na. So, just play around with it. Okay, so try naman natin yung Banza. So, let's say 35. Okay, then hit order now. Okay, confirm. Yeah, so sa Banza. Alright, so you can pay via Apple Pay, Visa, and MasterCard. So, mostly naman doon sa mga service provider na nandito is you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay or GPay, and Apple Pay. So, ayan. So, it's up to you na lang kung ano yung gagamitin mong service provider. So, that is the first step on how to cash in. Alright, so second way to cash in, and which I believe is the easiest way and cheapest way, is via CoinsPH. Ang gagamitin natin dito is XRP. Alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa aking CoinsPH account. All you need to do is go to crypto. Once nakabili ka ng XRP, all you need to do is to click XRP and then send. Kasi maglalabas ka ng funds from CoinsPH. Send, tapos enter XRP address. So ngayon, it's asking for XRP address at destination tag. Ngayon, babalik tayo ngayon sa BitYard to get those information. To get the address, all you need to do is go to assets, click yan, yung deposit. So since XRP yung itatransfer natin, kukunin natin yung XRP, select coin, and then yan, XRP. Pag na-search mo na siya before, lalabas siya dito sa search history. Okay? If wala, meron siya dito. Or, just use keyword here, XRP. Yan. So, chain name, click mo lang XRP. At, lalabas na yung deposit address mo dyan at yung tag address. Okay? So, all you need to do is to copy the address here. Okay? Copy. And then, ipipaste mo siya dito. Okay? Copy, paste, same with tag. Make sure na-copy mo rin yung tag, okay? Kasi pag hindi, pwede mag-fail yung transaction mo, hindi mo na siya ma-retrieve. Okay? So, kopyahin mo rin yung tag, and then paste mo dito. Okay? So, that's how easy it is. Now, let's try that. Receiver does not have a destination tag. Huwag mo i-click yan. Yan, so basahin nyo na lang yan. Then, hit next. Now, lalagyan mo lang yung name and recipient. And then, select yung... Now, since wala dito yung BitYard, just select others. Others. And then, just give it a name. BitYard. Yan. So, name and last name. After that, so let's say CRYPTito. Then done. Okay. So, lalagyan mo dito yung amount, kung magkano. Okay. So, as you can see, yung fee lang using XRP is 0.25 XRP. And hit next. Currently, wala akong XRP, so I can try this. Pero, just click this and then follow the next steps. At after that, all you need to do is wait for about couple of minutes, and then magno-notify naman sa'yo si CoinsPH at si BitYard kapag tapos na yung transaction. By the way, XRP ang ginagamit natin dito sa CoinsPH because we don't have USDT here. At XRP, as you can see, is sobrang mura lang at mabilis pa. Alright, just like what I said, after yung transaction nyo, magsisend naman sa'yo ng notification si CoinsPH at si BitYard. At syempre, magre-reflect siya dito sa my overview account mo. That is the second way on how to cash in. Now, let's jump into the third one. This time with other exchange platform. So, if you have other exchange platform like Binance, we can use that. Alright, so actually, halos same lang din naman ang procedure on how to transfer funds. All you need to do is, of course, punta ka dito sa platform na panggagalingan ng funds. Usually, you can go to Overview or Spot or whatever sub-wallet ang meron sila. All you need to do is withdraw. Since magpo-pull out tayo ng funds to BitYard. Okay? Withdraw. And this time, you can still use XRP since it's cheap and fast. Pero ang cons ng using XRP is it's volatile. Yung presyo niya hindi siya stable. Baka kasi mag-pull out ka dito, tapos inilipat mo sa BitYard mo. Along the way, nag-crash yung presyo ng XRP, nabawasan pa yung value ng pera mo. If you're using USDT, mas mahal ng konti yung transaction fee. Pero ang kagandahan dito is stable yung value ng tokens mo or nung pera mo. Pero ako either will do. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano naman yung USDT. Let's select USDT. Right? Send via crypto network. Okay. Now, address. Same thing. Kunin mo yung address mo kay BitYard. Make sure the USDT. Now, TRC20. Okay? Make sure na tama yung chain name. So, TRC20. Okay? So, makikita mo dyan yung address mo. All you need to do is to copy. Dito naman, lalabas yung QR code. Sa USDT, isa lang ang kinokopya mo. Walang destination tag. After mo kopya, paste mo lang dito. There. Then, network. Again, TRC20. Okay, so scroll down mo lang dyan. Fee is $1. Arrival time, 5 minutes estimated or approximate. Alright, so minimum of 10, pwede mo ilabas kay Binance. Okay, mamimili ka kung saang wallet mo pagkukuhanan yung ilalabas mo. Lagyan ko na ng funds to, saglit lang.
A few moments later.
Okay. Right, hit withdraw. Okay, confirm. Alright, after that, you just need to fill this in. Okay, yung mga security features na in-enable mo sa Binance mo. Okay, and then submit. After that, you just need to wait for a couple of minutes para makompleto yung transaction. Same with CoinsPH, makaka-receive ka naman ng confirmation kay Binance at kay BitYard kapag tapos na yung transaction. Then after that, syempre, dapat mag-reflect din siya dun sa wallet mo sa BitYard. Alright, so that is how to cash in sa BitYard. Alright, so papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano naman mag-cash out. So all you need to do is the same thing, almost. Pero this time, since mag-out tayo ng pera from BitYard, we need to click withdraw. XRP. Okay, so ngayon naman, since sa BitYard tayo mag-withdraw. So sa CoinsPH, balik lang tayo sa previous pages. This time, let's use receive. Okay, show my XRP address. Then there you go. So lalabas dito yung QR code, tapos dito yung address, wallet address, and destination tag. So let's do that. Copy natin to. Then, paste natin dito. Copy natin to. And paste natin dito. Alright. So, minimum withdrawal is 30 XRP. Minimum withdrawal is 30. So, ayan. So, naglagay ako ng exact amount lang, 30. Okay? Tapos, fund password. Right. So, fund password, yan. So, ikaw magsiset niyan dun sa security center, dun sa menu. So, kapag meron ka ng fund password, all you need to do is to put it in here and then confirm. Eto na. So, yung security verification naman ni BitYard. Alright, so all you need to do is to get the code na sinend sa'yo ni BitYard sa email mo and ipipaste mo yan dito. So, if you enabled Google Authentication, just get the code and then put it here. By the way, you can also use phone verification. Pag nilink mo yung phone number mo dito, it will also be an added layer of verification code na kailangan mong ilagay here. After that, just hit confirm. And same thing, all you need to do is wait for a couple of minutes and then makaka-receive ka ng notification kay Binance and kay BitYard kapag tapos na yung transaction. Ngayon, balik naman tayo sa Binance naman. Para makuha mo yung address is hit deposit. Okay? And then, same network, again, XRP. Right? Ripple. Then there, lalabas dito yung QR code nyo at dito naman yung address sa baba. Okay? All you need to do is to copy this and then paste mo dito sa BitYard. Also, yung XRP tag or destination tag and paste mo dito. 30 fund password. Okay, confirm. Not now. Alright, verification.
A few moments later.
Alright. Here, confirm. Alright, so after that, I just need to wait for a couple of minutes. And there you go. So that is how to cash in at cash out kay BitYard. If meron pa kayong mga question, merong clear dun sa tutorial ko, or meron pa kayong other topics na gustong malaman about BitYard, let me know on the comment section. By the way, follow mo na rin ako sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Twitter. Join ka dun sa Discord server ko, dun sa community namin. Yung invite link is also nasa description box. That's it for now. See you in the next video.